Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So do you need to highlight important text in a PDF or remove existing highlights in Adobe Acrobat? Adobe Acrobat includes built-in highlighting tools that allow you to mark key information, review documents, collaborate with others, and remove highlights whenever they are no longer needed. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to highlight text and remove highlighting in a PDF in Adobe Acrobat in 2026. So first thing, how to highlight text in a PDF. Okay, so first thing, open a PDF, launch Adobe Acrobat, open the PDF you want to review or annotate, navigate to the page containing the text you want to highlight, so make sure the PDF allows commenting and annotations. Then open the comments tools, like select all tools and then add comments, or tools and then comments, okay, as you can see here. And then we have here comments. Okay, so the highlight tool is located within the comments workspace. Okay, so select the highlight tool, click highlight text. As you can see here, we have this option. So you have many options over here, so you have to find the highlight. Okay, so the cursor will change to indicate the highlighting mode is active. Okay, so highlight the text, click and drag across the text you want to mark, release the mouse button when finished, and Acrobat will apply the highlight immediately. Okay, so removing this highlight, select the highlight, click directly on the highlight you want to remove. The annotation should become selected. Make sure you are selecting the highlights and not the text itself. So delete the highlight, like press delete on your keyboard or right click the highlights and choose delete. The highlighting will be removed immediately. Okay, so remove multiple highlights. This is optional, like comments panel, like locate the highlights in the annotations list. You can select multiple highlights or delete several at once. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.